In this video, we will show you how to add a related post section and a title bar with the featured image as the background to the single post template. This is the next part of the tutorials for setting up a blog page using CBB. We recommend you watch the first part to learn how to set up the main blog page and learn more about this plugin. The link is in the description. Let's start by editing the single post template and adding a new query loop block. To save some time, we will copy the post template from the previous tutorial. We will keep the responsive grid layout. To query only related posts for the current post, we will use the extended filters and sorting for the query loop added by CBB. There are 4 types of filters for you to choose from. You can query posts by hand-picking a list of post IDs. You can query hierarchical posts by their parent IDs. You can query posts by meta fields with the Meta Query Builder. And you can query posts related to the current post. We will use this filter for our related post section. The logic behind this filter is very simple. It will query all posts that share at least one term from any taxonomies with the current post. For example, they share at least one post tag, one category, or one term from a custom taxonomy. Let's enable the setting. We don't need to show the current post in this section, so we will ignore it. If some posts do not have enough related items, we can query a list of recent posts to fill the list. There is also a setting for ignoring sticky posts instead of excluding them. We also need this setting. Let's make some adjustments to the layout and style of this section. Sometimes, you want to display posts in a random order. We can do it by enabling the advanced sorting setting and choosing the rand value. We don't recommend the random order if you have lots of posts, as it may raise potential performance issues. If you don't want to use the grid layout, you can switch to the carousel layout. Choose the carousel layout and update its settings. Input items per slide. Change the gap between items. Make all items have the same height. Only show one item on small screens. With the premium version, you can customize the number of items per slide for each device. You can also set the number of slides per item by using a decimal value to display a portion of the next item. Show navigation buttons and the scroll bar. To fix the box shadow cut off by the parent carousel container, we will add another advanced group and add a padding value to it. We have completed the related post section. The next task is to insert a title bar that has the featured image as its background into the header. Let's get started by removing the featured image block. Transform the core group block into an advanced group block to use some advanced features. Set the featured image as the background. Adjust layout, style, and content of this block. Add additional post meta blocks. Use the Block Enhancements plugin to add a text shadow to make the text easier to read. With the premium version, you can apply some advanced effects to the background, such as scrolling and parallax effect. Let's apply a parallax scrolling effect to the background image. Enable the fading out effect for the background when it scrolls out of the viewport. We have finished customizing the single post template without coding in a few steps, and most of the changes were made using the free version of CBB. Thank you for watching, and if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, check out other videos to learn more about this plugin, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future.